Hi guys, Dalana B here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since we've chit-chatted, since we've talked, since I've been here, but nonetheless, I'm back now. Today is July 4th, so happy 4th of July to you out there. Those of you who are celebrating the holiday, I know a lot of people with everything that's going on in America today are not happy, not pleased, but you know, it is what it is. So for those of you that are celebrating, happy 4th of July. This video is a recreate. I am going to try and recreate, or I did try to recreate Shayla's look that she did using her Perception palette that she launched with Colourpop. And so I thought it would be kind of fun and cute to, you know, recreate her look. I have not touched my brushes in way too long, okay? And that's kind of sort of part of the reason why I haven't been on here, just because I have not been feeling makeup like that, like talking about it. It's first of all, it's hot outside and ain't nobody got time for all of that. So but today is a holiday and I was feeling inspired and I told myself, Dalana, you gonna get in front of that camera today. So that's what I did. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this recreate. Oh, and just as a disclaimer, it is only the eyes, it is not the full face application. Although I did use all of her products, so my lips I used, which is her color that she launched. I did pick up all of the, well, my best friend actually picked up the line for me. Shout out to you, Tiff. But yeah, she got the entire line for me, and I did use OOuuu because this is the color that she used in her video. If you guys can see that, it's just a really pretty coral. And then for the highlight, I did use both of her highlights. She has Pose and Boomin'. Boomin' is kind of like a iridescent gold color, and Pose is more so like a gold, like a rose gold color. So I did use both of those for the highlight today. And then other products I just used, you know, that I usually use, so it wasn't anything too spectacular. But if you guys don't know, this is the palette. This is the Perception palette. These are the colors. Really pretty. It has 16 colors in the pan, and it did come with like a mirror at the top, because if you guys follow Shayla, you guys know that she is notorious for fussing about palettes not having a mirror. So she did incorporate that in her product. But yeah guys, I'm not going to ramble too much, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this eye look. Alright, so I know a lot of you have already seen this palette, so I'm not even going to go and do like a full swatch or anything on it, simply because I know you guys already seen it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to recreate one of her looks that I thought was really, really pretty. So yeah guys, that's just what we're going to do today. Alright, so first things first, we're going to just go ahead and prime our eyes, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the lid because we are going to cut the crease. I'm sorry if you guys hear something outside. They're cutting the grass out there, and I guess they couldn't wait. Happy 4th of July too. Today is the 4th of July. I'm actually getting ready to go over my sister's house. So happy 4th of July. I know with everything that's going on in the world today, or America today, a lot of people ain't really feeling this holiday today. But neither, you know, nonetheless, happy 4th. I really don't celebrate the 4th simply because today was the day that my dad died. Today is his 8-year anniversary. So it's just another day for me. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush to blend out this concealer. Alright, so the first color I'm going to go in with, and the color that she used was Thick. And we're just going to put that in the crease. And this is my second time using this palette. The first time I used it was this past weekend. I was in Miami, and I used this palette just for a little quick, simple look. The colors are really vibrant and pigmented. And I'm just going to build this up to the intensity. I don't know why mine is looking more reddish. Well, hers look red too, but mine looking like super red. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not, but And you just want to build that up to the intensity that you want. And I really want this to be super vibrant like hers was. So I'm just going to build. Okay, so the next color that I'm going in with, that she went in with, is like a deep purple, I think this color is. And this is Played Out. And I'm just going to put that in the, like right below that crease area, kind of like in the outer V, too, to kind of give it a little bit of depth. And I'm actually watching her video as I'm doing this, and I think I put too much, but we gonna go back and fix that, because y'all know I love saying blend, blend, blend. And I actually probably should have used a tinier brush to use that Played Out color, but I'm just going back in and with thick, and I'm gonna blend that. This ain't gonna be exactly like hers now that I'm seeing it, but it's gonna be close to it, child. Cause that black then mixed with this orange, and it's something totally different. It's gonna be cute though. I'm gonna make it do what it do. Alright, so now it's time to cut the crease. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put, and I see her, I saw that she used, she actually just used the application on her concealer, which I guess that's an easier way to do it. So I'm just gonna cut this crease real quick, and then I'm gonna use a brush to go back and clean it up. That's gonna be that for now. Alright, so now we're going to go in with IE, which is Inland Empire, and we're just going to do like a halo effect, and we're going to put it on the outer and the inner eye. And I actually need to bring this, cut this crease a little bit more, because I didn't realize that we actually were doing that. So I'm going to just do this, move it all the way over. And a little tip to, for when you're doing like a cut crease, you want to use a concealer that is creamy and it moves, because if you use like a stiff, like I don't feel like using MAC's concealers will work, just because MAC sometimes it dries really quickly and really fast, so you gotta be careful with that. But I like using Tarte simply because it's super creamy and it moves really easily. So I'm just going to pack IE in the inner and outer corners of my eyelid. And I am using a MAC brush to do this. I don't know the number or the name of the brush. This brush is so old. And I'm just leaving a little bit of room in the, or a little bit of space in the center of my eye. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to go in Unbothered, and I'm going to put that in the center. And I'm just going to let those two overlap a little bit. like she said, it is an iridescent gold. That is so pretty. I'm just going to put that right in the center. And then I'm going to go in back into that played out to kind of, and I'm using a Morphe eyeliner brush or eyeshadow brush, eyebrow brush, gee whiz. And I'm just going to go in to define where that black should have been, or where played out should have been. And I'm just going to do that. And I'm actually going to take a small taper blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that right in. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to line my eyes with the Juvia's Place black eyeliner. And I'm using another Morphe brush to do so. I really don't want to line my eyes, but since she did it, I'm just going to go ahead and line them anyways. And then she also went in her waterline as well. So I'm going to set my water, or I'm going to line my waterline with that same black eyeliner. Alright, and now we're going to go in and set this with the color Stallion, which is like a bluish looking color. And we're just going to set it because we don't want it to run, you know. Alright, now we're going to go in with our mascara. And I have to remember not to blink because it never fails. Whenever I blink, it just destroys the whole look because I end up getting mascara on my face. And I'm not doing no falsies today just because I'm gonna let my natural lashes be great. And so that's what we gonna do. I haven't worn falsies in a very long time just because my own lashes have been just popping like this. Better than Sex Too Faced mascara. It does wonders for me. Like, I don't feel like I need to put any falsies on. And I have so many, but I just, I don't use them. I don't need them. Like, look at that. Yes, girl, yes. All right. So my face is looking kind of cakey and dry. So I'm going to go ahead off camera, finish my face up, set everything, then come back and let you guys know, you know, I guess I'll show you guys the finished product of me recreating Shayla's look. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished recreated look for the Makeup Shayla times Colourpop Perception palette, her new palette that she dropped a few months ago. I've been had this palette, but like I said, it was my first time using it this past weekend. You guys, I have not touched my brushes in God knows how long, so I think I did a pretty good job recreating this look. You guys tell me what you think down in the comments below. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know I've been gone for a really long time, and I'm back. Okay, I've had family members asking me why I'm not on my channel anymore. I've had friends, and honestly, I lost inspiration, but I'm back now. And so hopefully, you know, I'll continue to be here. Because what I don't want to do is get on this camera and come off as if I don't want to be here or anything like that. So today I felt inspired. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you are already a part of the family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for rocking with me, even though I've been gone for a very long time. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this recreate that I recreated using Shayla's palette. And if you have it, I don't know if I said this already, if you have it, let me know what you think about the palette down below. What else? Have a great 4th of July, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.